Hello everyone. So I decided to do a redo video this week. I'm going to be redoing these little shortbread because I did a couple things last time I think I can improve. So I got the sugar and the butter and the flour, and this time I'm going to use some green sanding sugar on top because I'm doing this up for St. Patrick's Day. Alright, move this out of the way. First I need to put the butter into the mixing bowl. So there you go. And this, one of the things I'm going to do different is not melt it this time. Just use it softened like it is. I need to mix in white sugar and I can't remember if it was this recipe or the peanut butter cookie one I did out of this little booklet that said to get it fluffy, but I'm going to try. And just mix it up. And mix it. Looks like I'm using a toothpick. Now add the flour a little at a time. Actually, it says a scoop at a time. I'm going to try not to overmix. I did that last time. It came out textured pie crust. So I'm just trying to resist the urge to overmix, just mixing until I don't see flour, and then add the next one. And this is already better. It's a lot more dough-like. Last time it was like applesauce. That's what I thought it looked like. This is a lot more like a cookie dough, which is what it is. Just okay. There we go. Now I need the pie pan. Let's see how I can try to scoop this in. So as the pie plate runs away, I realize it's easier to scoop it out and hold on to the pie plate. Doesn't this kind of look like vanilla ice cream that's been softened? Right. And try and scrape the butter. This stuff has so much butter in it, it doesn't even want to stick to the pie pan. Yeah. I'm going to spoon off to use my finger. Look at that. I push it down, it pops right back. It just does not want to stick. Just trying to smooth this on. There we go. Now moving on to the baking tray and sugar. Over to the baker, over to the toaster oven. Get my light out of the way. My battery pack, light. In it goes. And after 20 minutes, let it cool again. Didn't get as golden as the first one, but yeah. I decided this is another thing I changed. It said to let cool, but I'm letting it just cool enough so I can hopefully cut it. So I got a plate. Another change. I'm using a little sharp knife instead of the one that came with this little baking kit. Let's get it out. Popped right out. And now cut it into 6 pieces. Oh yeah, this cuts a lot better. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. And let me spread them apart so that they look like more pizza slices. Let's see. Well, the inside is almost cake-like, and the outside's a little crunchy. What's weird is I swear I taste a little vanilla in them. Maybe I didn't clean the bowl enough after when I made those peanut butter cookies. Thanks for watching.